going to mash. Who knew mashing the bananas would be so fun? First we're going to pour it in this white mixture with the banana muffin. I think I see walnuts in there. Next, a quarter cup of oil. Always do vegetable oil. Now, some water. Let's stir this yummy banana muffins up. I'm feeling kind of nutty. I'm going to add some more nuts. This is a lot of nuts. We're going to put 2/3 to put in our cupcakes. Now back, we put it over to your cupcake. We just need a little more, like that much more, I guess. Okay. Now for the next one. Ooh, that's a lot. I think I see a nut in there. My mom preheated the oven to 425. Bake these cupcakes for 15-20 minutes. And until they get golden and they have rise. Of course, while we're waiting, we're going to do a dance party. The muffins I baked and cool. Now my mom is going to let me do some frosting on one of these muffins. Usually you don't put frosting on these muffins, but I'm going to make it like a cake. So we're going to take a little of this frosting, and then I'm just going to frost it gentle, because we don't want to ruin it. They're for my dad, but I'll probably try to eat this one for the taste test. Time for the taste test. It tastes like the cupcakes, but except it has like nuts in it. Thanks for watching. If you don't know how to get your feelings out, this is how you get them out. Don't tell anyone that I'm eating this frosting.